Kevin here from Irish Garage Equipment, Ireland's leading garage equipment supply store. Just here to show you our new beam setter, folks. This is the Vicini halogen and xenon beam setter. This one's priced in our store at €429 inclusive of VAT. Now this beam setter, it does come boxed, but very simple to put together. On your stool you have 4 bolts at the bottom. They'll go onto your platform, which will hold your upright on. Once you have the upright on, then your main beam setter will come over the top and slide up and down. Your height adjustment is just on the rear here. Just hold at the bottom and you can adjust the height up and down to wherever you want, whichever car you're doing that. And just a quick one on using the machine. You use the machine, you will set your beam setter level with your headlight. Once you have it level with your headlight, you'll see inside the machine you do have a graph inside the machine. Once you have it set up, what you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, you want to get your headlight in the middle of the graph. That's how you'll know your headlights are set. Now, to set your headlights on most conventional cars, you will have height adjustment just on the back of the headlight here. You'll see most of them are a white Allen. So you can turn that left to right, which will adjust the headlight on the car. You'll see inside the machine you do have a spirit level bubble inside the machine, just to make sure your ground is level. It's imperative that the ground is level in the car sitting on level ground, or you will get a wrong reading. So to adjust your bubble in the center, you will have your fine tuning at the back of the machine here. And you also have your tilt at the side of the machine here. So once you unscrew this, it will tilt the machine up and down to compensate for the unlevel ground. You'll see at the top of the machine as well, you do have your handy mirror, so when you are adjusting the headlight, you can check in the mirror, which will show you the graph inside.